You Okoman Moda Mufia, Maba Montana.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right. Okoman 97.1. And we are Siapa. And I Juada. The 31st day of January 2022. Panisiana say, I'm up for Sresa. Say, finally. General Panavi, yeah. Abba. General, I know style be besides or conquer and never call. Parosha Prena, Semenuma Bapa Donko. 5 minutes past the hour of 1. Yama will be a call by PM Fambro Okoman 97.1. You did sound, yeah. You be fine. Yes. I said now what you for France, I could hear Moon 70 won't come on. When we say a tenacity, and Yama Costo, I could him. Our Ghana, and I feel some and say football, athletics, boxing, tennis. Yakanyina, I do come off ya. But then somebody about share. When it was over the weekend, the Ghana Premier League to me to draw. And the Ghana Premier League so. But of course, we need a hat to fuck we need. But in the whichever be a house da, any baby a kotoko da. Points difference, no, I am 10 points difference. A man for Cassie and a senior quid, a kotoko jelly gnanesa. As fans on us, saying, kotoko jelly saying, referee say no more standing game and I said, first round the crowd maybe, yeah. Japan is saying a kotoko jelly. Then he precise leg, you know, a time deal the Amakoro na. And I say too early. Can has 5 packs send you to be defend your league title na. Samson at the Total African Cup of Nations. And he read the semi-final on him. And not Jamaica near Egypt actually Morocco question by 2-1. Samson a year Burkina Faso and Switzerland qualify. Senegal qualify. And I think so the host nation Cameroon so qualify. To the semi-finals and it's no bad day. The better not see the moon semi in Apa. But so far one tournament and saying tournament in a quiet dear. Saying also one tournament no. The better not and I feel so the home come off here. Live on Okoman 97.1. Black Stars asem. Black Stars on sensem. And they pamu coach Milo. And then I'm from me say coach is Sawodo na pa. Former Nigerian coach. Urani the role. I'm for Bonnie din Sombra. Samson a former Tottenham Hotspur head coach. Coach in Newcastle. A coach in Brighton and Hove Albion. A coach in Brighton from 2014 by 2019. Urani the Chris William. Houghton. Man for Bonnie didn't say no name fair Juman and Famano. Papa you bet my Jumano. But in Prempia Menoka say Papa Chris Williams or Ghana. Yes, Papa Ghana be Nabe and 90 or Ghana. And then answer and the Kusia a year a branch and I call him Hudson or Joy. Yes, so Kusia or Joy ne Papa. And then the Papa didn't come out, send a bear, a Koran Baji Penny, a Bissi, a kind of the Black Stars of Ghana. But in the Odin Sakasa, so about the ball area of Ghana, dear, and I say, Aji Uran, the Chris William Houghton, Ghana for a 12 point, and it's the head coach. It's also GD or Papenimo. Yeah, share the session at the Ghana Football Association. And so the Bepana Fins, your coach, and they almost beat me appointed. We don't come on. But what if you know to say Yemfa Bruniana and before na? Yemfa Bruniana Yemfa before ya. That man for Bob Mohamed Polomo. Abdul Razak, the golden boy, one more bomb ding. You can say prosper na te good koroko. Uncle Nyasa mo body and assistant and kebefa. Wow, if you know that Jane is saying. Yemfa Bruniana bibini empo Yemfa bibini a coach ben. Yemfa Bruniana coach ben. Efisem bepa. Samson amananensem so bepa. Titamu kuchu. Between the Ajin Cherry afa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and at 0270 191 971. 0270 191 971. Arjun Chefa for bra. And I saw you live for Facebook and see how bet me the Arjun Chefa or for Facebook and I like your page, you know. Like your page, you know. Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Or like your page and I share now for from Sunya bin share. Now Facebook for comment Fatum. YouTube and see Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter and on Instagram say at Okoman 971. Also between the Ajin Chad they forward their bar. The back can cancel their mouth. Come on. Executive producer Yura Kofi Anson Bafo. Head of sports Nana Kofi Okorageman. Supported by Jeff Akufu Boateng. DJ Ziggy B. DJ Tony. Kropia Sante, Kwame Sedeka, Papa the Fresh. Samson and Nino Senior on duty. I want you to boy Chidom. I prepare better say right at the coffee and after if somebody up. Median in Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi. Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi. With my friend me AK. And my AK. And man is some pick, you know. And today came in some of the Bamo. But I wear Abram Mama. Yeah, mama, no. Mama. Abram Mama, bien papa. Abraham are heavy. Nakupon Shrao. Sabrina Fidi in the dog Okoman 97.1. Abraham are heavy. And I'll be with the answer if you are crooning ya eba. Hey, about 2 Nina eba. Make a right answer. Eba, mama de mama. Mami chia Nyankopon shira papa. Krobia sante. Krobia sante. Ha 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 ha. Krobia sante heavy. Upon all jokes, Krobia heavy. Bro, Nyankopon shira. Entino ya be ya na ya yi. Sani ya ne de se kona amana sem bantino. You be call nothing no. Amana sem too. And also etimi aba.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's all right. In Tian Kona Fensu na manane samno. And also yentimi fan to join and fama me cast out joining live for Facebook. Hey, Okoman Radio 97.1 TNA. Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Also no joining live na Fensu no. Bonita Jumedi no Samsung na YouTube no. And so Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram, Twitter. Then you know at Okoman 971. Also bet me follow in our Fensu na manane samno. Also bet me nya biatie. Then no, you better sense the free the total African Cup of Nations. I say on the matches do now so no it will cost over the weekend here and yes same come on quarter final matches no saying it will call here Scorpions of Gambia and so to meet now the indomitable Lions of Cameroon upon a Cameroon almost sentiment ya Branty and the other cow Toko Ikambi and a Pogos in the and so to meet my Cameroon Mino Samson and the Stallions of Burkina Faso and so to meet the Carthage Eagles of Tunisia upon a Kabako and a Tunisia minus 20 the results and and also to meet Chaguye our Cup of Nations and Asini Poboko and Asama and Egypt and so it match a year Morocco upon a Camino Emma Morocco Timu Bako etene Pharaohs of Fono it match Morocco upon a Camino Emma Timu Bako South and Senegal Triangle Lions of Senegal and so to match the national tender of Equatorial Guinea upon a Canami and Sa Emma Equatorial Guinea Timu Bako apparently needed Ismail Sa after so journey a Senegal national team no etime Pogo Samson Aseku Kuyate from bench and so etime Pogo Erema Senegal minor in Kunibdi so etime course so etime the mom na say na semi final pair no and so etime tia or the Cup of Nations last year Cameroon so ebetina o no so need the Pharaohs of Egypt apo tieniye ukwada na sa match no and so pass so 7 p.m. Ghana time no Cameroon so betina fi o Yaounde na face no need the Pharaohs of Egypt and so etime the apostle we a big gamer and also betumi atodwa Samson at the Stallions of Burkina Faso and so betina ho no so ne omaya ni the Triangle Lions of Senegal and so etumi the boy ni we no ya yawada 7 p.m. na sa match no and so betumi atodwa and also nya se kuma the semi final no we na crowd South Asia parent na todwa Burkina Faso ha na afesoro Senegal na po Samson na Cameroon and so ne omaya ni the Egypt be po itene no mu abobe kwa fikese no mo nsane so na afesoro ma usania bo ba ya mo nkrata seven so dia fa na Manchester ne betu atodwa ne teniye okopie mo the France and say the French Cup no ma and the Coupe de France no big match ba ko betu atodwa Paris Saint-Germain teniye Paris Saint-Germain PSG team no enso etenafio park the process 8:15 no no so ne OGC ni senso to the appointee big game ebetojwa France Monte so a eno so no anya semkuma ne yenko pie mu other stories na fe so no yemfa transfer issues so emfa tojwa enso na emfa mamudia uko piemu ewo FC Barcelona katia news nepa wate da down bisa Branta ni de Adama Traore upon the board ma Wolverhampton Wanderers the English Premier League no mo Branta na touch down Barcelona and the medicals in we Branta contract no so no watuma sanya we alone Branta ni de Adama Traore from a year Wolverhampton Wanderers and so eba be board ya Barca team no report epa echiremu say wukwada the 2nd of February no and then the day Branta no so no ya pa no toma na feso Barca fans almost Spain na feso no Catalonia Claudio no mo so matuma Branta na ho na feso matuma hye no a oba be ball a 6 months loan and so etime dem Barca team no na reporter mensaka na ne Gazeta dello Sport report no echirem sa Branta no Barcelona for a buy option as option to buy so to say it the end of the season no na Barca ne Branta Adama Traore ho a and 30 million pounds no amukwa kotua Eddie Wolverhampton Wanderers na fence na Branta Adama Traore deal no omatuma in permanent and so Barca katia yanso yede my TF na Newcastle United so confirm chirima Branta upon ball France at the Olympic Lyonnais Branta Bruno Guimaraes no and Newcastle confirm chirima Branta no set your PM team no ma on so no 3-year contract no Branta Bruno Guimaraes no on so to sign from Olympic Lyonnais upon so the Newcastle team no and also in summer and so pa yede my for now still transfer issues Donny van der Beek is a player upon the ball and so to them Manchester United Branta if you ask about the PMO United team no Niaman Sada Enkoso and Fama Branta Donny van der Beek report epa say near Branta in loan and Branta in Kwako ball and so them the toughest Everton and so Goodison Park in Teneno Utiana wasano so Branta ni the Donny van der Beek of Manchester United wakako PMO Everton and also no Kwako ball no and so to them Everton team na Liverpool so to confirm chirima Branta Ochina Kanema FC Porto Branta ni the Luis Diaz no and also to PMO Liverpool akatia and also to sign contract and so to them Liverpool team no no David and also Luis Diaz no and also to bracket team the FC Porto team no from Portugal all the way to PMO England and also and so to them Liverpool you will never walk alone and also the reporter Tottenham Hotspur akate and the reporter chirima Branta ni and so the tango in Dombele uno sa Branta ni Leon be boy and ma Tottenham I said this is a plana doso performance na perform Niaman Sada Nkoye and Fama Branta ni the tango in Dombele reporter Sakakuma bi Branta na sign quality teniye and be boy friends se kuntu wan ani tia na ekono Branta ni dia ye juma o chiremu se ni o sai kwa kopiemu Olympic Lyonnais na fe so tuma kopolo no for the rest of the season and so the Olympic Lyonnais team no and also the reporter eto jade fa Branta ni the tango in Dombele wa yanso ne the MITF na Juventus teniye Branta ni the Ramsey reporter pa etima Branta no ono so ebefi Juventus so akate na Branta ni the enso na Dusan Vlahovic from Povo Kwani and so Fiorentina no Branta na PMO Juventus akatia Ronaldo Janoma 7 strategies in to one Branta ni Dusan Vlahovic no and the Juve form so no etmatam ma Branta na yechirema goals Branta na said this is no we show over 30 goals this season it's over here so betima be see akan edema Juve Branta ni Dusan Vlahovic no akopie so Juve akatia akobo so timi ade amom na Madrid team no teni Garibel na busia afredo meeting kakra kapa ana mo de atu bele say bele owen on say busia ne pe wasem ball no ne mbo Madrid this season said amfa hazard the crab by on said husu na wo de bob and wo player ni din ade bill ebe ya Madrid team no and a reporter and so no Branta ni din and so ade Garibel na busia and so ade atu na nima mo kire mu say o mani shada anje o Madrid team no intene ebe ya Branta ni din and so ade Branta Garibel no ontumi mbuna ketim and so na free Madrid team no and also na reporter and also no etoja banane report kese atoja France Mountain so and Chebia na Sergio Ramos Garcia ontumi returning from injury obese go ni ade ama PSG team no report batches Branta na sia kopra mutie ni ye Branta Sergio Ramos Garcia wasa kopra Madrid say PSG team no and na nyumre against the OGC Nice no Branta Sergio Ramos ono so entimi amobi and a reporter bana Kylian Mbappe Luton Samu Petty the transfer on sense Madrid to just the next season and a brand and the Kylian Mbappe Luton and so ebitumi abana Barcelona echirema brand and the Angel Di Maria and a feel na brand and the and so at the Moro Kadi and you know Ansu Mubako about Piemo or a year Barcelona team in the Mono Smart Dembele Akakume be a brand and Baku Piemo or Paris Saint-Germain and also a report about the boss of France no Moutier Dembele and likely so Baku Piemo PSG now feels a brand and the at the Moro Kadi and as a brand and the Angelo Di Maria or move back on Sabi Piemo El Barca team na Pierre Emiliano Francos Aubameyang yes Obo Edman Arsenal Barca and so any to me just a personal agreement no Barca and Aubameyang say we akase in Arsenal and so we just brand anymore no so be PM Barca but possible 80% down so brand and the Aubameyang and so we have Paul and my Barca team no and also the reporter and here to draw Janson yet me ere amati for man and some to so me fancy near set ne fantastic hotel and in an area so met me ere pa me and then Kwame Amponsah Addi bit my family right atana say efisem ono so ebetumi ade apa na finso bibia enso no ay kama super
Super
bibia fine
nyame adom yaba nyezi
so wo no Barcelona na
me support Saint Etienne yeah me Saint Etienne fan yes
Saint Etienne generally one top player
dabi ye shada top players the head coach Paul shada nye crucial but at least team near the man is ono na that team is
Saint Etienne.
You support Saint Etienne almost for a while. Ana on the Asia. I say one because me support the team. Me message me. That be
Saint Etienne be 2 seasons and come relegation.
And they are normal. You be call beba football yes anet here. And they also back film na e bi be shame.
Oh okay.
Neboa.
Okay.
Yeah, but Zuba. Yaba.
You can do dini.
Oh, is it yes, I see sir. You to me dini sir, but yes. Obende. Nyama na ye yes, but ebefa the moto ebefa.
No, fisem Phillips.
Some Phillips or some papa no ko. Papa no ko no. New broni neba no ko meeting no. Broni DMPM coaches to be din PM.
Some it say Bruni a wabeya waji Ghana be bia fei. You say Ebrana ye pe coachi. Ye pamu CK ya ye pe coachi. Bruni bai.
Okay.
Ana eja efe ni so mo pe no.
Yes.
Onko. Ana mo ko fa Milo bai. Nti ayam wa say Bruni asan ya ba.
Asan ba yes.
On nam Ghana ha ne ade ya.
Wa start e ko Tony players ni bi ti
ko. Mehu no pictures on Odwe papa edi nkomo ene ade o hwe sanka Odwe nsu betima be si aka na Black Star even with the Nigeria match no so Odwe betima ba but ejuma so man fa ma papa ya Odwe nsu ma o
omba yes on akasa you know I don't know about all this mobile day
do say FA for no person dey ejuma be ma papa
I don't know I between FA ministry and also say Ghana Football Association money FA no and a ministry no so a different way
one say Ghana han
okay
and I football say na no FA no na FA and I appoint coach.
Okay.
Now ministry net yaka.
It's okay.
It's no ministry now say I don't know on your pay.
Okay.
And I feel no on your pay. And I ministry so chire feel say you never be to your coach yika.
Okay.
It's mo go fa coach bi am peba I can to na jimo am fa bo mo.
Ministry no omo call when say Ghana Blasters Yakobo we in the buy no. Ye omo invite meeting. And at the Ghana Football Association penny for Kambi. But meeting no two coaches spend omo DPM.
Hey. Local coaches sana.
Two local coaches.
Ne na no metiti.
OA. ADPM. And IT. SAT. IT.
Ana
OA.
OA na nkasa man from Sakasa dia fa no.
Okay.
Say eni no onzo no na nkasa ya man adwuma aye hadada. Adwuma no ame.
Okay.
Ana na oti abrochi.
Oti abrochi yes.
Enti eni na ajesa abeda wonu na obese obefa na say den.
So once omo call meeting no. Two coaches we no be DPM.
OA any IT. Okay.
But in penful be say chile bia on person omo di CH ne babroni no.
CH ne de.
So but I know na ya de no.
Me no ne ananka. And come the first CH na say on say menkase sebi abrofo no and I say local coaches na you.
Okay.
On say about a technical and a tactical aspect. Abrofono e wo manim say your local coaches so. Let's be honest, let's be realistic.
Okay.
O manim say your local coaches so. Nti anke ye kwa kobo World Cup qualify say e no. Na ke nya the brain no behind our team.
Okay.
Anka be bo ana the influence with some of the players
no.
the likes of Sali Sumo monye some beba Torek Lamte mu. On say wa coach Torek Lamte da.
Sure.
Sure. Coach Torek Lamte.
Yes.
Ana afin so no odu mu so na ne ade na obetumi no makasa ne ade na nkafa. But they no matese say ayi Anthony Bafo. Enko no ne ayi nko kasa. Oye,
enko kasa. Okay.
Na mombeji adwuma no.
Ombeji adwuma.
But oye nso my disappointed kakra oye mu. Because part of the technical team am ko this performance on the buy no. Technical team no do work one could
be back to count. Yes, you body dey account.
Obi ya point wa yetu ya kan o ti be ye baabi adwuma o me ya hade adwuma. It is any abeto de ya mfa ma. Let's be honest. Oye, amafo bisa. Let's any me say okay, who is that?
Oye in there ye dey ate. Ye pass him bia. Tian ye di enkomo but no but
super how feel.
So onim so fu bia ne din e di ON. Oja maze oja.
Yeah,
what the abetu ja.
Osanya de be fa.
Yeah, be fan.
Osanya da blaster be fa.
Fan. Say o oda also die no hu.
Krobia. Onde. Oh, krobia. Look at them. Na Nigeria nje.
On pass off for
prophecy na so that but. You say also fu be say blaster na fa. You in Nigeria, you chi emu time kra fa.
Send drop down. Mo fra de pie ni. Susum yazi. Okay.
Hey, Black Star fan.
Heading.
So for na cause ya high opa yemfa Moruno no mo coach. Ni yemfa ayi Chelsea team yi, Man City team no combine. Ni yemfa membership Black Star jersey. Ni na Nigeria nkobo yemfa. Ana zade na no idea.
Super adena no idea. Eje izo. Adena no idea.
Ade coach kura aka barely over a month na yakwa
ko. Month so February ana.
You were 52 days pepe.
Yeah, in Nigeria bo.
Yeah, 52.
Yenya coach here.
52 days in cry. You say I don't know, me check he say February no ebe 29 va.
28.
Sa into 28 then you barely 51 days.
51 days.
Yeah.
Na time be na coach be ba no dey be free players I preparation towards the Nigerian game.
Unze coach be ba we no 4 days preparation. Our coach ni benya
Krobia o dey yen fence on ye ba be di coach no nkomo. Coach oba any a player call up on ade na ya hwe say CH be ba o say ayi oye na ana say IT be ba
dey fo bia
let's see opele bi ni ade
opele dey fakela bajo kela
Amicia Isaac Opele Boate.
Oh yes.
Isaac Opele Boate. Yeah, no time follow show no kakra. Amicia Michael Asari Bodu.
Oh yes,
Michael Asari Bodu. I share live on Facebook.
Oh yeah, brutal.
Michael share live on Okoman Silver FM.
Okay.
Or share live on Facebook. Amicia no bro.
Super no.
I say yes, you dear man for us.
Oh da Zuba yes sir. You can't you best you dey asem ba ntino. You bedi na ye yes. But I know how se fire there. Oh, as supporters, phobia sports news for no. Oh my idea. Oh, Abrantio play SI
Salifu.
Yes, oh pray no. Oh, Abrantio no. Oh my iska. Oh supporters na to say iska kakra dia ma Abrantio.
Oh send the teams to do that.
Oh my idea. Oh that be oh ANC. Oh, anye kotokwa anye haza unte unza. Oh my idea. Oh 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis.
1 million and 1,000.
1 and 000 AI.
100.
And it's so one.
Me report na me saka no was 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Nti no.
So yeah.
No. Nti super no. Asa Sulaba.
Eh,
brother, ewie na ye be announce no.
Some me unveiling.
No me unveiling ya. Ese Dennis Kosa, Kunedu Yado, Eni Sule.
It's a triple signings na had to focus. Kunedu Yado, Dennis Kosa.
Yes.
Ana Sule Muntari.
Prince Opokwaji Kromo
me tete Prince issue.
But emfa.
Say me tete Prince so team yi.
The Bieni Go Stars. Okokoye medical nde. O super okoye medical nde. Oh. So be yankwa fa local nembra.
Ba koroko yakasa almost say sa na house for kofa like Kingston by Babara man we go anymore say. So okay so much.
Yes.
Be.
Oh man said that but
me kai has and but okutia Babara man could do red card.
Okay.
So about the inside out in the area.
Super man call Canada because open
Wajin
space come on.
Wajin space. And you know super.
Yeah come ra.
Found too.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again.
All right, and super.
Boss player.
Yeah, for you to have what's medu.
10 minutes. Okay, nti mami am calculate me ho. Okay, me calculate. Probably calculate me do 10 per. Nti 45 no me wie.
That be 43.
43 say. Okay, nti yanko. Wa bem ka kranti me shim na 44. Wa me for face amantu so median so information etie for me still Okoman radio 97.1. Katronia no so Katronia no channel live for Facebook or pan no drop in a comment. Na ma bia so etimi akonkanya e hon komo so no enya fedia grandson doso ya boabo se Pythagoras theory yes near jemo so it's process scientific operation the pencotiasis yes in the stories the writer commentator and answers here and free over the weekend Ghana Premier League 15 saying na okopiema nkomono AC Etia no Diana Sasatra fie ama bechem 90 bone kanu bakwa went to me in Simabraka Krobia Kumasi something or 2 Accra Great Olympic 0 Ashgo 2 Dreams FC 1 a glorious across the folk etimi chicken voice bone kanu bakwa went to me in Simabraka Brantia Dean Eric Kojo P Junior enya de Oligo Erima de Phobia Boys na ehon komoso no enye fidia Brekum Chelsea echi Accra Lions bone kanu yansa wano so etimi team back South na Lagos City and womu etumble pa Lagos City etumi etumbre pa na ehon komoso no enye fidia ye or 11 wonders ebone kanu eyamiansa went to me in Simabraka sabi ekroma no super uye na wanye ya Lagos City 3 ono atro be bie ni go star 0 or ni ref say be bie ni go stars ne wa fa na boy hey ti no yes amanfo drawing board nin sadam fakra eti anon komo enon out to you ene Kawra United ebo wama saso ena mediama eshe omina se kanba kwa went to me in Simabraka saying a Ghana Premier League after week a year 15 say ana table ni Asia te Krobia Kumasi Samtrako already kind ewo 33 point bechem United etosumienu ewo 26 points saso ena mediama etosumiensa ewo 26 points Adriana Stars ewo a year 24 points House of Folk aba betoso 5th position ewo 23 point don't forget eso one standing game Oribobo Quality at Krobia Kumasi Samtrako every time so Ghana Premier League Yamia Tuma a year 20th February and a game no betoja ewo a year Accra Sports Stadium ukopiemu ewo relegation zone team and the team at the Accra Lions ewo 16th position yes ewo 16 points also and 11 winners ewo that 17th position wo a year 15 points South na Bubo Quality at the Elmina Sharks or the 18th position ewo 8 points the Abranti AK and yeah team no and Sadan Koyen Farmer Moa and Comosonum and Yefadia Grabranti Devina Bagana Asia Kaidema out to you Ashe 8 goals also and Frank Terry yes one Asia Kain at Mabubo Quality at Krobia Kumasi Samtrako our 8 goals Maxwell Bekwe our Great Olympics our 7 goals also and Augustino Cran our 7 goals Kofi Koji our 7 goals and Hong Comosonum and Yefadia coaches no yes super coaches na kasa coaches no yes Omar Kasaba head coach Ermabo Quantin area Accra Great Olympics Oli Gbogbo Oli Mashi Oli Juliju Anawaka Papedin Kuma Kradia ba say yes dande ina no eba game bi say ya ye de aseda be ma twedi amponyanko pototo bo so bo so ni asase ase obeda na se lose na ba but the boys no gina pit ne so a sabi onim de ye ne boys no ye ntia sama urade e de Anawaka e de atudwa.
In all things, I give thanks to the Almighty Father because He knows best. Seriously, I don't know what happened to my boys today. And initially, you realize I did some changes in the team, 3 changes. And well, they are Olympics players, registered players, and they need to play. But I gave them the chance and they could not prove themselves. And that also might be another cause of my defeat today in the first half, because you could see my midfield was not to the way I want them or we normally play. So that also was a fact.
And we and Koma Krayar coach Hermabo Quatin are a great Olympics warrior bar. Yathia Masaneti for Natuda I say Bubo Kwande ne Kotoko team no or she Kotoko team na chale ombu experience team oni o mabo no him say chale team no ensheda nye yasa but still no Kotoko team na mu ni sa no omu very experienced about a football plan.
The start of the game, when you asked me, I told you I'm coming to play with an experienced team, matured players in Kotoko. You can see my players. You saw at the end of it all, I have to bring in the young ones that I'm rather bringing them up. They were the players that came to do the job for me in the second half. So I played against a team that is more experienced, matured than mine.
And to way and Kuba Kurati are a anowo kawadi apa yafi machine tie for ne krakra ne bisa say na wow player Maxwabe Oko Blasters yam wenye bi ambasa but oba ne seems like amanfo bedwen so experience ne kakra but game on Kotoko boy no we hu game no so then abaye.
What I would say is in the Blasters, you know, he did not play a match there. He only trained, and earlier on I told you, even against King Faisal, before I fielded him, he was not in shape because he was much rusty. But I have to use him because he's come back and I was expecting him to do better. Well, he played, not to my satisfaction, but I have to give him another chance because we are playing a more experienced team. And I think with his experience, he could have helped me. That's why I fielded him. So, I agree with the questionnaires that he was not the best. Yeah.
Head coach Arma Crackers Olympics Olimashi Oli Chuluju Anowa Kawadia Pa Yadi Amashe the for head coach Armabo Kwati Arekrobia Kumasia something or prosper na to Doctor no yes winaba Oyabeka I say a Crackers Olympics team no mamu ne set team ne afufule no omo nshada anya fufule sa omo shada mamu game papa but golden yafefe nyame nchade obebo ne boys raba so ese winaba.
Not at all. They were very good side. They were tactically strong. As I told you, they were very compact in the middle of the park. They created a lot of overload. That made it very difficult for us sometimes even to play the ball. So they didn't make it easy, but rather they came in stronger, tougher, and better, and that brought the best out of us.
And to way and Kuma Creating and Dr. Deban Dr. Nakakani was na 2 Cameroon for na Marco Forma Bano. Boys no, then you secret because when Nanya Tuga about Terry, Anya Tuga about Terry. Boys no, then can they defend for more.
I think the secret is that they are focused, they are very obedient, they are very humble, they are very hardworking. Sometimes even if you want to give them some days off for them to recover fully, they disagree. Sometimes I have to negotiate with them to let them understand why they have to rest. To them, they have come to Ghana to make it and make it big. That's why they are here. So I think their sense of humility, their sense of obedience, and the spirit of hard work that is in them, that is bringing out the best in them.
And to way and come on, Ratende. Prosper na to Kumer coach Erma Ayakrobia Kumasia Sandrako Wadia by Yadia Masereti for your area Samobodu. Yes, one Kasa Bibiano, Papa and Kuma Credia by. I say after the game, no, share the boys na Diababania, Obaka Sewini, Afefe, Yamechade, boys no Edwina Ba.
Very good game, as you can witness. The Kinfesa is not a small team as at now. They are on their peak, and as a folk, we are struggling. And I believe that we need to push harder. And the battle is race but not marathon, so we are still on course.
And what as a battle na a race enya marathon kakra gaza obeye your pedi chia man foot but enya no na Mr. Samobodu di tuja e bi say yan tese sule aba wie sa no say hey sule no o hwe eye tama no the boys ni training last week na oba training how ne boys next listen na sule ba team ne mu a ebeboa.
He's a good guy. The day that I saw him, how he advised the boys, it was amazing. So I believe that if Sule will join the team, I think things will change.
Eti, I don't know about Tofa. Yedi we are Saka Semengo. Hey, Papa, we ba kumienu miensa. Nana nwaba. Washe Adriana start bako. Erbetu just say yes. Adriana team na muno. Omwa bechem 90 for no mama Bobby. Bechem 90 no. Yes, Oma Moma Bobby, Adriana Stars, and your team. Yeah.
We're far better than them. The reason why they did not play, we did not allow them to play. You see, we did not give them the room to play. That's why they were not playing. But they're not the bad side. Everybody is strong in his home. So we did not allow them to play the game they want to play. We dictated the pace for them. So when opportunity comes for us to grab it, fine. But our target is to be in the top 4. That's why we are on course. We are on course.
Boy, yeah, we in the basa. Coach Seneca sa Saribedi ako. Hey, I send the boys no one more training grounds one more to be boss and they need to make but edu matcha when him so be aju obi get so be no obi won komo say edu amoka ojoju won tiase but osha be hand players no.
But see, our boys are not supporting play. See, they were not moving. See, you can see for yourself. Our opponents dominated play. Our boys were not moving. I don't know. You don't see this in training, but if you come to matches, see all these things. I don't know. There's something wrong somewhere. I don't understand.
Enti anono Radenia Sarbidiako and Komano and on the Abaye Fesi. Samuel Toss you bobo no as a Pythagoras theory. Yes, what wolf you know. Now when you are the Sukatwa. It's really a scientific operation in the Pencotiasis in the story. Medino the writer, commentator, boss player. Ebe so flight ni mo danene kakranka na ma bia so etimi akonkan ewo horomati eke ayi yazazuba
yes
edu pepepe
as I ready across it you can't think far
yes on be mo training our boys no enwanwa yes enwanwa because dream want to super game
football CD
actually when say obi ni obi nya issue bia na no result into is
there you have somebody was saying
yes Sule
no is a race no marathon
a race and marathon
is a marathon not a race
marathon
a wa race there honey said the boy not call race or call marathon until the marathon there and a wa
until on no ye mistake go
to dane no kaka
okay but say kasa
so yam frama tino
say what we prosper players no Cameroon boys no
say boys and tea on say I'm born say dia discipline no ho but up one season no say Ghana de any man no budget no so na dia na be do no because there has been several instances of players about from outside of the ball. I remember I met Turi coming in to Korokobe boy and dia na edu baby and I say
sure
a man boy Genesis and I say Turi I am right but say no can they need to focus what I say Juan on be is omu focus kumanse na waba no koroko no waba no yede nyama de yede be chew yede be bro enti no omu kudi a chiri so ahwa na omu alusu e focus
okay Zuba me call bat Mr. Roma menyewe Andra BBC ye ewo eye division 1 mu na okopiem a boboko ade eye samates ene a check-in in terms so na after the game no na samates
your boy sama boy na
yeah omobo asimfosu yes omobo na asimfosu na after the game samates goalkeeper Lawrence Ansa yes the ban say supporters need discipline
so I
don't know me discipline maya I'm still searching for the story to mediate maya
omobo say
I don't know Boma bono
supporters say bu goalkeeper
goalkeeper
no for a chicken supporters na abo
samates goalkeeper
no
yes see I no but I'm still me follow story no me follow story na dia but all the same say na football na be ye dia be ye ya so be anu nie
oh ye prano we ya keka na
ya keka aye ya sa but me follow story no ye me ko ye isi aba isi na ye twa to ayaya ti Superman face ye nchu be mo show no from afar me unsa ya shoot for or mo tell Facebook ayaya za ti I'm no say we no ayeyo okay ti Zuba mama face
okay I know a writer and I think I say fisem and also etimi area ba ye ba be din komo ofie ba me guso e ka say oti Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports ene wasugusia Otie no and journey live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 L Facebook also no obetumi journey Samsung na YouTube also no Okoman Radio 97.1 also obetumi journey Golden Boy GH on Facebook also more fire and confirm Samsung na Kwabena Majesty more fire Smart Junior the Mosho show also keep the fire burning and also need the other but Nana Kofi Courage man I see we are the best yes Rutherford and Sir Gideon or say more fire Bailey Solomon and also need the other but Jonas and I say yes Jonas Wine I say I think Muntari will do well. He's not one man player. And also need the other but Samson and Jonas they are saying the other beam I say Yanoma leading but the good will fall for hard to folk to take it. I don't know. And then they are also the bar and you feel they grow. Pen the vibe. I say writer commentator. And so I said, hey, you're better bape. Pen the vibe. You're better bape. Nah, yeah. But yeah, sure. Over the weekend, Ghana Premier League. You know, by Samson and the Black Stars searching it for a coach. Coach and the Chris William. I Houghton. Our bar. Coach Tottenham. Coach Brighton. Coach Brighton for 5 seasons. Any idea? And I'm Ghana ha. Any idea? I'm for sure say. Or no. And then the FA Juman, but the FA no so no. I just said yeah. Young farmer no. You be move before fro. You know. Also I join chair or the bar. Why now? She see him fano. Young fa a foreign coach and that's a local coach. Impono. And then qualities being and a ocean a criteria being in so in fan power coach Abesobeli did the Black Stars. Just 2030 and in Nigeria and about 23rd of March. And a boy on Babe a coach by bar or Babe any idea. For our joint chef 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971. A text message, WhatsApp, or the bar, a working kind, and so Eddie and my crop, yes, and so our Samson and the boy. And so if you're the boy, be a come on.
Nana, me who I opposed to Maba say. Blaster ne home coach for
now they own himself Blaster.
Oh, son of Palme by no, and I'm being bibia and say, we don't be bia metrancy. No much me who ye, me name man, master for no. Sorry, Danny Gusua, easy, be passing.
Okay,
I Methodist still no. Methodist Cassian, where do crown, no one first cavia my. Oh, just so the woman is here, Missy, with me upon me. I am here. First camera.
I mean, dear man, is
you not chairman or chairman flow.
Oh, chairman or chairman.
Okay. And then me mamma be a who more didn't birthday until dinner.
Okay. As a young Abraham, so beam.
Abraham, I now cuisine my
cuisine. The idea ko aba.
Is here one ye say obi to me share aya chambi mammy be oh post office lay muhai on any kunu nyina me afini oh happy mother was a baby sir I mama happy
I used to abase I do a fay
affair yana yire santini no I oba hanana yiri dana ye ma comment to hanana yire wo I'm affair
you affair na make
affair yes I didn't call wedding no father man yeah and I'm who ye papa the next day me dey sama ba fia me I tell you play
yeah Black Star coaching
nana yeah nchia atiefo nyina mo nya kwa bamra Okoman radio so nyom mpo nana ene apart from your call Yaoundé Cameroon ko put up this abysmal performance na me dey obi me say me na me support Black Star G7 mguasi 16 years ago say club 16 years ago and a Ghana Cup tournament ya Black Star proper equal tournament ya 1 point and a Sabio yinya ya de ba fie what you say ye gogu ye hwani mu asesa and a danu ya so ewo ayi Cameroon ya kwakuji ye hwani mu ase am a certain country called Comoros awon dudu nya na last time check ye no yesi na oba bia wo ba ko nti aba be kan dudu nya kwakoye 900,000 864 share Ghana
863
yeah 864 and Ghana ye kind census population census in Benifo hu baby a ye do wo if say 32 million if say 31 if say so mara na Comoros fo gu ye nimu ase pasa nana ye wie ye no ye ba Ghana hanomo ebe pamo eye coach Milo ama ne 3 months salary kwano ejechemu chese o de ma se wonye na wagin kan ko dada nana ene ne tetene se certain Otoado namu ena Ghana ni baako ena papa ya boni de o friend simple papa nana coach ye wonya maye coach ni wonya mayo but nana entie ye nya ne se woni a certain madam fu lamtei edi nkɔmɔ ama wɔne ɛyɛ Hosnodoy abusuafo awofo di nkɔmɔ sɛ ne nsaka Ghana Blaster coaching we na ɔbɛfrɛ saa mmeranteɛ yi ɔmo ne bɔ tiama no ne a yɛwɔ mo hɔ aba bɛboa ma Ghana Blasters afa ne ntama pɛfira sɛ de bɛma sɛ mfa ma no ɛnde me nansi pedal no so nana ɛno bi na Nigeria fo yɛ ya Victor Moses ni mu nyina baayɛ wo bi ni mu nyina baayɛ na Nigeria Green Eagles ɔmo pɛdwa mo homene so tournament ya ye boya ye yom film yi na ne nchom film ne se na ɛyɛ ɔmo Guavon se okofa cup we ya ɔmo pam no because the last match obo no Tunisia bo no na Nigeria for akofa expatriate coach our distance ni mu monitor se ebekɔ sɛn no sa na tie dia mingu mi wani mas na menko Tunisia pia 1-0 no koe na ene yesi akofa broni aba na be coach ye na nei misrawo se me teacher ni me kirade ana me school na enu nti me mfra tiewu ami ase mfra no nko teacher ni me tra wa ye den coach mi le ja no kwan ni backroom staff on mo mi adwuma na ye jo mo kwan na GFM panyifo ne escofo ne info na appointment no omo da so to wode nana coach ba senior na o man credentials wa coach 5 years wa se oba na mpanyifo we numa da so tete wode a ye be ko nsu agu da de sei kantemu ebegu fam ebenwunu because coach na so onye no onko wan ko fa coach ni ba e anye kotokra ku mu ya ko fa coach ni ba e no mu nim se wako ta Arabian Cup se den no wabobia Indian for grab pamono no mu nim Thailand o mu se je ne ho ati coach Milo di okọ na wo mo ko fa Milo ni ba e be boy e ka no o mo wo he o mo na so nti wo sekretokra ku ya na ti wo ani ne Fred achi ni mo na ti wo ani wo mo esco members na ti wo yencheni friends and family cronies ya ana ko fa coach ya ba dia nana no.
But the boy wouldn't say untumi ntake the FA president unless Ono resign, and I say he's up for another.
What is that? And then we send by the car no nana pacho. Dan ya kwa share Ghana no. Oh, una be pacho. Obe pacho ewa. On trase. E jo man pay to wa hwa nana.
O man pay to me enter.
Ah ya boka ya say ya bobo na nya yi a ya so man pay ama o man fa sika nwuram na ye jenim gwase dia nana yente ya ana ebedu baby ebeye politics Ghana NDT for the Ghana kwa World Cup why MVP dia kwa why we be go to na boka dia mamam eti wenu mu say amumu ya ni mu ase nana hwe stampede si wa Cameroon no esha ni Comoros share Ghana Blasters ni pe wu nipa nya yare kwa clinic hospital attendance akwasoro cardiac arrest kaka tipaye ayamtuo shock pressure anya bia na ekoye ya Ghana film yi commentary mo ne be share dem kodai na ka mumpue fans akwaje fans ketwa nana me say coach we beba na katokra kuma na tetete wo Henry Chum Asante Heart wamane eye secretary ma GFN dia kai nana ya nkokura nkaye ya nkwa ama nana unu se ya mpanyifu adwene ya nyina ne se qualify to World Cup enka chi ye mimi space no World Cup no mpanyifu kura ntwale tenko se eye yasa ya boabo ya ho kura be fi kwata ya kwanfa
semi
Eva, if you kata World Cup na.
Kata see about 2023 about a Cup of Nations.
Anka ye ntwam. Katokra kumbe kwa.